What is up, man or woman, whoever is watching this show? Today's going to be a little bit unorthodox. It's an unboxing. Ooh, you hear that? That's some silver. I don't like that they're just clanking around in there. But, hey, sometimes you get that. Now, these packages can be a pain to open. I have one white glove on. But as I was saying, this is going to be a little bit unorthodox today because we don't usually record outside and without the treasure box sitting right here and without our little black mat to keep our coins from getting all scraped up and banged up. But as you can hear from this bag, it's already getting scraped up and banged up. But I want to take a moment, let you guys know that we are doing a giveaway. It's a 1955 proof. I do not have it on me. I am actually ashamed of myself for not having it on me. But we digress. We're going to open this up. I got a pretty decent deal for the stuff that's in this package, but I mean, it's banging around, so maybe that's why I got a good deal on it. No, it was just the way they packaged it. I've actually gotten some coins and stuff off this guy before, and that's usually a little bit better packaging. I'm going to say in his defense that it was just running close to the end of the week, and he had a bunch that he had to send out. Oh, they were in their own little bags, and I guess they must have fell out. That's what it sounds like. Let's see, because there's nothing in this one. We'll get you tossed off to the side. And yeah, there's nothing in 26 either. So there's definitely, they just fell out to the bottom of the bag. Let's see what's in number 14 though. Oh, it's a 1933S. Look at that. That is gorgeous, that Walking Liberty. Look at that eagle. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm in love. We'll put this over here with all these ones, huh? Huh? Now let's go down here and check, see what's in here. Oh, this, you guys are like, why did you buy that? Oh my goodness. Oh, I got a good deal. It's $5, and you're not getting these for $5 anywhere else. It's in the original packaging, 1972 proof. Look at that. That is just absolutely gorgeous. This might even actually, man, beautiful, beautiful. I think it's got a little bit of wear. It looks like is this dime right around here if you look. Other than that, I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it looks like that quarter might. Oh man, is that a beautiful set? We will get this set off to the side. Now, how is everybody's day going on this Tuesday? Oh, do you hear that silver that had fallen out? Let's see. Let's see. Should have used the glove, huh? This one looks like it's going to be a piece dollar, an S Mint mark piece dollar. Yep. And it's the 23 version. We got a 23, another one of them. We know that we got a couple of those in the roll that we got beginning of the week that I made a video on. I'll go in with this glove. It's the point of putting the glove on. We're not going to grab the silver with it. Oh, and this is the Morgan. Gorgeous. Look at that. I mean, everybody gets 1921. It's one of the most common years, but I seen how white and frosty it was, and I had to. Plus, I picked it up for a steal. I picked this one up for $30, and I picked this one up for $28. So I mean, $2 on it, $2 more on it. You really can't complain. What do you guys like? Do you like Morgans? Do you like piece dollars? Do you like half dollars? Do you guys like proof sets like that? I do not recommend buying proof sets, but I am no financial advisor. If you like proofs, go ahead and buy them up. Like I said, this video is just a short video this week. I mean today, not this week. We'll have another video out tomorrow, and we're going to try to put out as many videos as possible because we like supporting you guys. And if I had my airtight capsules, we would actually capsule this out here together because yes, this Morgan is going in its own little airtight capsule. I mean, the feathers, the breast feathers on it, you can still get a good look on them. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Look at that. They're not the most perfect, but man, are they beautiful. I do like me a good Morgan. Who doesn't love a Morgan? But yeah, guys, like I said, we're giving away a 1955 proof, and it's a beautiful. It's graded by NGC. It's a 68 grade. It's a beautiful looking proof. We're giving away at 5,000 subscribers. All you got to do is be subscribed and hit that comment section. And you only got to put like a period, or maybe let me know how your day is, or how you like the video, or what you thought of these. I mean, it's not much you got to do. You just, like I said, just subscribe, and you're already in the giveaway. But on that note, this is almost a 6-minute video, and I told you we were going to keep it short. So peace. Hi guys, sorry, I had to. I was just so disgusted with myself that I didn't have it earlier in the video. I just ran in and grabbed it real quick. Here's that 1955 proof graded 68 Washington quarter. Don't worry about this up here. It's because it's the packaging. That's all it is. This packaging that's on it. It's not the actual case itself. That's why you leave it in the packaging before the giveaway. That way that don't get no scratches. But anyway, let me know what y'all think. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful coin. And hey, all you got to do is subscribe and leave a comment to be entered in. But, all right, now I'm out of here. Peace.